Okay, so today is gonna be my final review thoughts of the new the new Becca Chloe Malika BFF collection from Becca. I got both of them and I got 2 lipsticks. So I'll be talking about it pretty soon. I've been testing them out every day and that's all I've been using. So this is the Made with Love by Malika, which is the silver one. I had to get all of them. Like really pretty. So it has 2 blushes, all shimmery, and it has 1 bronzer, shimmery bronzer, and it has a highlighter. I ran out of fingers. So those are the swatches right there. See the glow? And you can build them up. And then next is the Made with Love by Chloe, which is this one right here. Also 2 blushes, highlighter, and a bronzer. But this bronzer in Chloe's palette is matte. Okay, I'm gonna be taking my Luxe C680 brush. I've been loving this to do my cheeks with the bronzer. And I'm going to use Made with Love by Chloe. I'm going to use the matte bronzer. I love the way it blends really nice and you can build it up. I love this brush. It gets like really right here under your cheekbones. For the double chin. So those are the swatches. The one for Made with Love by Chloe. Really light. And then the only matte one is a bronzer, which is the one I'm wearing. That was the one I applied. Okay, so I'm be going in with the blush. Let me see. Let's do Make Me Blush. This is the one with Malika. I'm going to be using that as my blush. And I'm going to be taking my Sigma Large Angle Contour F40 to apply that. These are really pigmented. So a little goes a long way. And you can see that nice glow, which I love. I love everything glow. It's really hard for me to do all matte look. Sometimes I like to go like heavy hand. See that? Really pretty. Can you guys see the glow? Like that's before highlighter. And that's just the blush. So pretty. Okay. Now for blush, for highlighter, I like to mix. Now for highlighter, I like to mix both. Yes. I mix the one with Malika, Dusted and Glow Up. And then for that, I'm going to be using my Morphe M50. So first, I'd like to go with the one with Malika. Girl, I don't even have eyebrows on yet, so I gotta do that. And then now I'm gonna do a glow up, the one from Chloe. Look at that. So pretty. Look at that glow. On my nose. Sass. Okay, let me do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Did my brows the best I can. Eyebrows are my least favorite thing. But I'm also going to be showing you how I've been doing my eyes with these palettes. Been using my whole face with these palettes to review it for you guys. So I'm going to be using the Cocoa Bronze from the Chloe collection. Taking my E40 Blending Sigma brush, and I use that for the crease. And then from the Malika with a E38 brush from Sigma, I'm going to be using Yes Girl, which is the blush. And I'm just going to add that kind of like in the middle and lower, like just between like right here. You guys see that? Oh, yeah, pretty. Just blends so nice. And now for my lid, I just get my finger, and then I'm gonna go in with the Malika highlighter, which is dusted, and just apply it on my lid right there. See? Nice soft glow to the lids. And then just blend that with everything. So that's what I've been doing off and on, non-stop for a couple weeks since I've got this collection. I just wanted to test it out really good, which is the Milk Kush Mascara. You guys will see why. Has anybody tried this mascara? Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite mascara that gives your lashes some volume. Look at that. You guys see that? Look at with the Kush Milk Makeup Mascara. I have been loving this one, and I got this sample size with 100 points from Sephora. Blanked out. Bam. I've been obsessed with this mascara since I've tried it. Like, whoa. Okay, so next is the lips from the collection. So I got 2 lipsticks out of the 4 lipsticks. I got Cupid's Kiss and I got Hot Tamale. So let me swatch. First of all, I love the lipsticks, like the magnetic ones. And this is Hot Tamale. Really pretty hot red orange on the red side. Oh my god, so pretty. And these are so creamy. So that's Hot Tamale, which is the Chloe's side. And then this one is Cupid's Kiss, which I've been obsessed with. So this is Cupid's Kiss, which is the Malika side, I think. These are so creamy. So top is Cupid's Kiss and bottom is Hot Tamale. And today I'm going to be using Cupid's Kiss. They're so creamy, buttery. Oh, I'm obsessed with these. I love it when they feel so creamy. Okay, also one more thing that I got from the collection that I did not use today was the glow letters, which are these right here. I got them because I just had to get them. I I've never had any glow letters before, and these are the glow letters. So that's what it looks like. And let me swatch. Let me swatch. That way you guys can see. And it's supposed to give you just a nice glow. See that glow in my hand? These are hard to swatch because, I mean, they're letters. It's just a pretty nice soft glow. It's up to you if you guys want to get this one. Okay, so my final thoughts on the Becca Chloe Malika BFF collection. The face palettes, I absolutely love them. Like, I've been trying them out for a while now, and you guys saw I did my complete look just using these two palettes. I just love all these beautiful shades. They are so pigmented. They blend so nice. I'm trying to get both of them out without damaging any of them. They blend so nice. I love them. So pretty. I'm so glad I got both of them. So glad I got both of them. So these are definitely beauty box, not a toss. So it's a beauty box. Remember that beauty box or toss thing? I'm bringing it back. So these are definitely going in my beauty box, which love. And now for the lipsticks, again, I love this formula. It's my first time trying Becca Cosmetics lipsticks, and these are so creamy. They feel so comfortable in the lips. They do not last all day, I can tell you that right away. It comes off, but I mean, it's not a matte lipstick. It's a really comfortable creamy lipstick, and these two shades are really, really pretty. I'm so glad I picked these two shades. Maybe I'll collect the other two. But I mean, you guys saw how creamy those looked, how shiny. I love the packaging. These are definitely going into my beauty box as well. And lastly is the glow letters. Now these I just got because they were just there and they're so pretty. Of course, really pretty. Gives it a nice soft glow, but I really don't feel like I'm going to be grabbing these since I have the highlighters on the face palettes. So these are not going to be going to my beauty box. I'm going to see if anybody else wants these. So these are going to be a toss for me. I don't see no point of having these. I hardly grabbed this. I mean, it's really pretty, don't get me wrong. I love the way they are. I love the concept, is that how you say it? Concept of it? Like, you know, mixing all those, giving you a nice little glow, the X's, the O's. I love all that. It's just that it's just going to be sitting into my drawers. Like I said, I haven't even grabbed it since I bought it. I just used it one time and that's it. So why am I going to let it go to waste when somebody else can use it? So these are going to be a toss. Beauty box toss? It's going to be a toss. So that completes this video review. Hopefully you love the products as much as I do. Remember, it's just my own opinion. This is my face. I love the way I applied. So it's just, everybody has a different opinion and everything. So this is my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell so you guys can know when I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.